Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I wanted to show you the new TRD Pro style grill that I just bought from Tacoma Beast. We're going to be swapping out the old OEM factory broken grill that I have and showing you guys how to install this guy onto there. I want to go over my thoughts and what I think about what this is going to bring to my Tacoma. Let's get into it. Tacoma Beast has these grills available on their website. Not a sponsor, but I will leave their website linked in the description below. They have other accessories and awesome mods on their website that bring an awesome and cool off-road type of look to your Tacoma. Let's go ahead. We're gonna pop the hood, take this old one off, throw the new one on, and kind of go over that for you guys. All right, first things first, we gotta pop the hood there. So you're gonna need your 10mm socket, some pry tools to get those little pry tabs out of there, or even a flathead screwdriver sometimes work. Be careful if you're using that. But let's go ahead. We're going to locate. We have 1, 2, 3 10mm nuts right there, and then we have, this one's already coming loose. We have a pull tab right there, passenger side. I'm missing one right there on the driver's side. We're going to jump in, take these off, pull the old broken grill out of there, and install the new one. One thing to note as well, that when you've got everything done, you kind of have to pull up and get this past that little plastic ring right there, and then it'll kind of come loose. Right here, this is what you're pulling on to get free on the headlights here. So we're just going to kind of pull that out on both sides and get this guy out of here, away from that screw down there. Pull it up a little bit and kind of shimmy it loose. You can also see, but right there is another thing that's attached to the truck that you're trying to pull out of there. So let's go ahead and do it. Now, the one thing I have discovered, and we're gonna have to wash this, but this outer part right here also comes off and is gonna be essential to keeping that awesome look to your Tacoma. So we're gonna flip this thing over. See these tabs along the way. We're gonna pop this out, we're gonna pop this thing out, install it on the new grill, and finish this up. Another thing I discovered during this install is the old OEM, we'll call it the liner here, has these screws. It's a T20 star bit. Again, you know, I'm discovering things along the way. I'm not perfect, never claimed to be, but you know, as a DIYer, when you're doing these sort of things and doing these sort of installs, there's not a whole lot of information out there to get this done, so you kind of learn along the way. And when I'm making these videos for you guys, I just bring up new information that I might have failed to mention earlier in the beginning. And hey, we just got to roll with the punches, right? So let's go ahead and take this guy off. We'll put it all together and get this project finished up, guys. All right, and as you can see, we're gonna give this thing a bath for sure, but this liner is super important. Putting that liner on there before installing the whole grill all together is super important for keeping that awesome look to your Tacoma. Let's go ahead, let's zip everything back on, and we'll just kind of finish up the look of this guy. Awesome. All right, guys, so we're up in the hills. We got you some cool shots. We're out testing this thing, showing it off. Like I said before, Tacoma Beast is not a sponsor. I went and bought this thing with my own money. I just really like their stuff. I'll leave them linked down in the description below. But I honestly hope that this video was helpful for you guys. There's not a lot of information out there on the internet when I was doing my research on how to take this liner off and how to get the grill off and install the new one. But basically, I really like the looks of this grill. I think it improves the look a lot, especially once we get some new headlights in this thing. I think it's going to look great. Leave a comment down below what you guys think of the look of this grill. Please drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one.